Now let's see the question number 3. Find the perimeter of square with side of the following length. Now the side is given 4 cm. So we'll use the formula for the perimeter of a square. 4 multiplied by side. Now we'll use the side 4 cm. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 cm is the perimeter of a square. Side is given 10 cm of a square. Now we'll use the formula perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied side. I will put the value of side, that is 10 cm. Will multiply with 4, that is 40 cm is the perimeter of a square. C1, the side of a square is given 5 cm. We'll use the formula perimeter of a square, because you have to find out the perimeter of square. So we'll use the square formula and we'll put the value of side. The one side is given as 5 cm. 4 5s are 20. So the perimeter of a square is 20 cm. See the solution for this side D1. The side is 20 cm. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a square whose one side is 20 cm. Now we'll use the formula perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. Now side is given 20 cm. When we multiply 20 by 4, we'll get 80 cm. 80 cm is the perimeter of a square. Solution for E. Side of a square is given 42 cm. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a square. So using the formula perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied side. Side is given 42 cm. We'll multiply 42 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So the perimeter of a square is 168 cm. Now let's see the solution for the F1. Side of a square is given 35 cm. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a square. For that we will use the formula perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiplied side. Now student, side is given as 35 cm. That we will multiply with 4. 4 5s are 20 to carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 13 14. So the perimeter of a square is 140 cm. Now the G1 side is given as 51 cm. Now again we have to find out the perimeter of a square. That is 4 multiplied side. When 4 multiplied with 51, what will get? 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the perimeter of a square is 204 cm. Now let's see another example whose one side of a square is 100 cm. Now let's find the perimeter of a square. So 4 multiply side. As we know, square is having 4 equal sides. 4 multiply 100 cm. It will be 400 cm. That is the perimeter of a square. Now see the solution for question number 4. Find the length of the side of square with the following perimeter. Now here the perimeter of a square is given. You have to find out the length of side. Now the A1, the perimeter of square is 32 centimeter. Now to find out the length of sides, we have to use the same formula, that is perimeter of a square equals to 4 multiply side. Now perimeter is 32 centimeter. We'll put that value. 4 multiplied by side. We have to find out the side. So we will divide the perimeter by 4. When we divide it 32 by 4, 4 8s are 32. That means 8 centimeter is the length of side of a square. Solution for the B. The perimeter of square is given 44 centimeter. Now using the formula for the perimeter of square, we have to find out the side of a square. 4 multiply side. Now perimeter is given, that is 44 centimeter. And now we have to find out the side. When we find out the side, we have to divide the perimeter by 4. When 44 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So 11 centimeter is the length of side of a square. C1, the perimeter of a square is given as 4 centimeter. Now to find out its side, again we have to use the formula perimeter of square, that is 4 multiply side. Now perimeter is 4 centimeter. 4 multiply side. Now we have to find out side of a square. So perimeter divided by 4. So the side is 4 ones are 4. 1 centimeter is the side of a square. Now see the solution for the D1, where the perimeter of a square is 108 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of sphere. So using the formula that perimeter of a square equal to 4 multiply side. We'll put the values. Perimeter is 108. And now we'll find side. For that we have to divide the perimeter by 4. So 108 divided by 4, 2s are 8, 2 7s are 28. So the length of one side of a square is 27 centimeter. Now see the another example. The perimeter is 56 centimeter of a square. Now again to find out the side of the square, you have to use the same formula. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiply side. Now let's put the value of perimeter, that is 56 centimeter. 4 multiplied by side. Now we'll find the length of a side. For that we have to divide the perimeter by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So the side length of side equal to 14 centimeter. Now we'll see the solution for the F1. The perimeter is given 200 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of a side of a square. So for that, using the same formula, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied side. Now the perimeter is given 200 centimeter multiplied by side. Now let's find this side. For that, we will divide the perimeter by 4. So 200 divided by 4, 4 5s are 20 and 0s are 0. So the length of side of a square is 50 centimeter.